The man athlete is also known as a mother. Men wear long loose dresses called P1 and net is called P1. Men wear long loose dresses called P1. Food Kashmiri pulao. Kashmiri. Festival Nagari Itlori Tulpu Festival. Dance of dance. In West India, also called the heart of Bollywood, its capital is Mumbai. Women wear beautiful Nawari sarees with short-sleeved choli. Men wear dhoti, kurta and petha. Food puran poli, vada pav, poha, modak, etc. Language Marathi. Dance form Lavani and Koli dance. Culture Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Festivals Gudi Padwa, Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi, etc. Music Povda and Abhyas. Thank you.
Bihar capital is Patna. It is famous for its ancient history, educational heritage.
Men wear dhoti, kurta and lungi.
Women wear saris, especially tusar silk saris.
Languages Hindi, Bhojpuri, Mathili and Meghai.
Food litti chokha and kadi bahari.
Dance Chasu dance.
Festivals Chhath Puja, Holi and Sama Chakera.
Music Bhojpuri music, Mathili music. I'm going to speak about Madhya Pradesh, which is heart of India. Men wears dhoti and kurta. Women wears Chandri and Maheshwari sarees. Language Hindi and Halvi. Food poha and jalebi. Festivals Diwali, Holi, Dasara and local festivals. Music instruments, flute and mandala. Dance forms. Tawana and local dance. Harbour dance. Thank you. Its capital is Dispur. It is known as Great Igad and rich wildlife and unique culture.
Women wear mekhla chadar.
Men wear dhoti and kurta with special cotton scarf is known as gamosa.
Food rice, fish curry, Assam tea.
Festival Bihu Durga Puja.
Language Assamese.
Song Bihu song.
Dance Bihu dance.
Thank you.
Today I am going to speak about Kerala. It is also called as God-owned country.
Women wear kasfu saree with golden border.
Men wear mundu a white dhoti and shirt.
Food appam putta fish curry.
Language Malayalam.
Festival Onam.
Dance Kathakali Mohanatiyam.
Music instruments Carnatic music, Sopana music. Thank you.
I am going to speak about Tamil Nadu. It is a famous state for temple traditional and rich history. Men wear dhoti and shirt. Women wear Kanchipuram silk saree. Language Tamil. Food sambar, rasam, idli. Festival Pongal, Kartika Deepam. Dance Bharatanatyam. Music Carnatic music. Thank you. Speak about Rajasthan. It is known as land of kings.
Man wear dhoti, kurta and colorful pagdi turban.
Women wear ghagra, choli, todnu.
Languages Rajasthan Marwadi.
Food dal bati, churma, gatte ki sabji, mawa kachori.
Dance from Bhumar Baisa.
Festivals, weather festivals, stage Gangol, Prashak Empire.
Music instrument Dholak.
Thank you too. Speak about Gujarati. Is known for its rich history, culture and warm hospitality.
Women wear chali and choli with beautiful Vidarbha language Gujarati.
Men wear kedu and dhoti. Food dhokla, thepla, khakra.
Dance from Garba and Dandiyaras.
Festivals Janmashtami, Navratri, Garba dance.
Music Bhajan Sutkam Sangeet. Thank you. About Punjab, it is known as a fine and friendly people and its transaction.
Women wear salwar kameez with pallu, kari dupatta.
Men we wear kurta, pajama and lundi.
Food makki ki roti और सरसों का साग, परोठा, लस्सी.
Language Punjabi.
Festivals Baisakhi, Lohri, Gurupuram.
Famous music Diridari Tindal.
Dance Bhangra and Gita.
Thank you.
It's a beautiful state name South India.
Men wear Pochampally Ikkat sari.
Men wear dhoti and kurta.
Food Hyderabad biryani, pachi pulsu, double ka meeta, sakinalu.
Language is Telugu.
Festival Batkama, Bonalu, Ugadi. Culture. Lambadi dance.
Ugagata Bugagata. I am going to speak about Karnataka. It is known as for its famous rich history and greenery and ancient temples.
Men wear dhoti and kurta.
Women wear elegant sarees and Mysore silk sarees.
Language Kannada.
Food ragi mudda, neer dosa and Mysore pak.
Culture Hoysals and Vijayanagar Empire.
Festivals Mysore Dasra, Ugadi and Kambalya.
Music Carnatic music.
Dance Yakshagana.
Speak about Odisha. It is a beautiful state on eastern coast of India. Women wear sarees with ikat patterns.
Man wear dhoti and kurta.
Food Pakhalabad, Dahiya, Aludam, Rasgulla.
Language Odia.
Dance form classical dance, Odissi, Gotipua, Chow dance.
Festival Yatyata, Durga Puja, Makar Sankranti, Pana Sankranti.
Culture Sun Temple, Jagannath Temple.
Music Odissi music.
Thank you.
Everyone look here. Once again. City photo.
Yeah. Noise. Start. Start. Edik takar, Rudra.
Question. Dash is the shortcut key to create a new document. Group 3. Yes, say it loudly, beta. What is the shortcut key? Control plus N. Correct. Next question. What is the file extension of MS Word? Yes, group 2. Yes, correct. Next question. What is the full form of MS? Group 4? Correct. Next question. Who developed MS Word? Group 1? Group 2? Correct. Next, listen to the question, children. Who invented computer? Okay, group 1. Correct. Next question. Correct. Next, as you type, the dash moves forward. Group 3. Correct. Next, dash contains save, undo and redo commands. Group 3. Quick access bar. Correct. Next question. Typing, editing and formatting text is also called as. Group 3. Come again. Word processing. Thank you.
Acknowledge everything. We congratulate all our participants for their enthusiasm.
We do a short skit called The Three Fish. Character names are Chunky, I am Chunky, Jumri, I am Jumri, Wali, I am Wali. These are the three fishes in a pot and two fishermen. I am fisherman one. Let's see what happens next. Friends, the water is cold today. Let's play. Jumri, tell me which game shall we play? Let's play the hide and seek. Chunky, we are going, you must find us. This pond has many fishes. You can catch lot and a lot of money. and we will lose our life. Yes, we should go to another pond. No, it is our home. I won't leave this place. Next day, the fisherman came with big nets and strong fishing rods. Pull it back, throw the net into the water to catch a big fish. Oh no, I should listen to my friends. Moral is always listen to wise advice to save from difficult situations. Thank you.
Man was lying carefully. Suddenly, villager 1 shot it with an arrow. Villager 2 found injured man and wanted to save it. Let's use what's going to happen. I saw the swan. It is mine. You are thick. I only went and saved its life. It needs some care. No, I shot it. Okay, we will go to ministers. Stop fighting. I have understand both of your problem.
Even I understood about the situation.
Go to kings. Their judgment will help you what is right.
Yes, the king will decide. Please tell me. We'll go to the king.
He wants to save the life. He shot the swan, but she wants to save its life. You give the judgment for us.
If he shot it, his own rule must be followed.
A living is not a thing to own. It belongs to the one who protects life. Now I understand. Kindness is more important.
I will treat and satisfy. I'm happy with decision. Siddhartha, your kindness is true wisdom. I learn a lesson today.
Thank you everyone for showing kindness for animals to live. So I want to present crowns for all. From learning your mistake. Villager 2 for saving a life. Minister 1 for guiding them. Minister 2 for bringing them to justice. Kind to all living things have a right to live.
The short script called the three fish. The character names are Chunky. I am Chunky. Jumri. I am Jumri. Wali. I am Wali. These three fishes in a pond and two fishermen.
Fisherman 1. I am fisherman 2.
Let us see what happens next. Friends, the water is so cool. Let's play. Jumri, which games should we play? Yes, let's play hide and seek. Chapti, we know you must find us.
sell lot of money.
Oh no, I should not study enough to my studies.
A moral of the story: always listen to the good advice to save from difficult situation. Thank you.
Can we have a huge round of applause for Alkesh?
Stop fighting. Even I understood both your problems.
Yes, even I understand.
ఒక హల్లు అక్షరం కింద అదే ఒక వేరు హల్లు ఒత్తు వస్తే దాన్ని ఏమంటారో తెలుసుకుందాం. ఇది 3 విధాలు: విద్వాక్షరం, సమిష్టాక్షరం, సంశ్లేష అక్షరం.
ద్విత్వాక్షరం ఒక హల్లు కింద అదే హల్లు రావటాన్ని ద్విత్వాక్షరం అంటారు.
విద్వాక్షరం ఉదాహరణ గ్రద్ద. దా కింద అదే అక్షరం దా రావడం వలన అది విద్వాక్షరంగా పిలువబడుతుంది. విద్వాక్షరం ఉదాహరణ: రద్ద, అక్క, రత్త, మొగ్గ.
సంయుక్త అక్షరం ఒక అక్షరానికి అదే వేరు హల్లు ఒత్తు రావటాన్ని
సంయుక్తాక్షరం ఉదాహరణ ఉత్తము. దీనిలో తా అనే అక్షరంలో కా అనే అక్షరం కింద తా అనే వేరే హల్లు రావటం వలన ఇది సంయుక్తాక్షరం అని పిలువబడుతుంది. సంయుక్తాక్షరం ఉదాహరణ: కర్త, మర్కటం, ప్రపంచం.
సంశ్లేష అక్షరం ఒక హల్లు కింద 2 వేరు హల్లుల్లో ఒత్తులు రావటాన్ని సంశ్లేష అక్షరం అంటారు.
సంశ్లేషాక్షరం ఉదాహరణ: రాష్ట్రం. దీనిలో శ్ర అనే అక్షరంలో ష అనే అక్షరం కింద ట అనే అక్షరం కింద రా అనే ఒత్తులు రావటం వలన ఇది సంశ్లేష అక్షరంగా పిలువబడుతుంది. సంశ్లేషాక్షరం: రాష్ట్రం, రాష్ట్రం. ఇంతవరకు అక్షరాలతో ఏర్పడే పదాలను, వాటి మార్పులను, ఉచ్చారణను తెలియచేయడం జరిగింది. మంచి జెండా, నడుమెచ్చే జెండా, ఆకాశంలో ఎగిరే జెండా, అంధకారం పోగొట్టిన జెండా, ఆశలు మనలో రేపిన జెండా. గాంధీ గారు మెచ్చిన జెండా, నెహ్రూ గారికి నచ్చిన జెండా, భగత్ సింగ్ చేపట్టిన జెండా, సుభాష్ ఎగిరిసిన జెండా. దించిన జెండా, చల్లగా స్వరాజ్యం తెచ్చిన జెండా, అందరి మదిలో నిండిన జెండా, పిల్లల అన్న జెండా. శాంతి సహనం చూపిన జెండా, అందరినీ ఒకటిగా నడిపిన జెండా, మంచి మమతలు చూపిన జెండా. ఇదేనండి మన భారత జెండా. ధన్యవాదాలు.
मैं अमर किला हूँ। यह किला पहाड़ी पर बना है और अपनी सुंदर नक्काशी और शीश महल के लिए प्रसिद्ध है। यहाँ से पूरे जयपुर शहर का सुंदर नज़ारा दिखता है।
मैं हवा महल हूँ। इसे पैलेस ऑफ विंड्स कहते हैं। इसकी 953 खिड़कियाँ ठंडी हवा को अंदर आने देती है। यह गुलाबी पत्थर से बना सुंदर और उसकी डिजाइन वाला महल है।
मैं जल महल, यहाँ महल मान सागर झीले के बीच में बना हुआ है जो पानी पर तैरता हुआ लगता है।
जल महल रात की शाम का नजारा बहुत सुंदर और शांत है।
धन्यवाद।
मैं सिटी पैलेस हूँ। यह जयपुर के राजाओं का महल है, जहाँ पुरानी चीजें और शाही हथियार रखे गए हैं। यह राजस्थानी और मुगल वास्तुकला बहुत सुंदर मिश्रण है। यहाँ की प्रसिद्ध मिठाइयाँ देवर दान, लून दान, मावा कचौरी आदि प्रसिद्ध मिठाइयाँ हैं। दान मंचूरिया। इसमें यूनेस्को विश्व धरोहर। यहाँ एक विज्ञान केंद्र जैसे स्थान है। बड़े बड़े उपकरणों से जयपुर में राजस्थानी मुख्य रूप से बोली जाती है।
Once again.
So whatever they have learned, even the reasoning skills in mathematics and scientific skills and the skill performance, their hard work and the teacher hard work is very well present here. And I'm very thankful to the teachers and the management for conducting such kind of programs.
Thank you, ma'am. Well, with the same flow, we want somebody else to speak, share their thoughts. There you go. Please pass the mic.